Maji. Ndio. Acha kwanza nigeuze hivi.
We are the rescue team, guys.
Oi! Maji.
Ndani ya waba.
Yeah.
Maji zimeingia kila mahali.
What's up, good people? Today we are in Garissa town and we are heading to Bula 15. We are told that water has come. Like an
We are going to rescue, guys.
We are going for a rescue mission. We want to go see.
No, you have to say as we are Hamalians. We are.
Yes. As Hamalians.
We are going to shake you.
Eh? As Hamalians, we are going to
shake you. Mabomba zimeingia maji.
By the way, Garissa, check it. This is Red Cross.
Red Cross.
Yeah.
So rent.
Now,
I know you are saying rent.
It is
not something we call rent.
Let us be serious.
Yes, we have to be.
Water is
a rescue.
Some estates in Garissa are being flooded with water.
Yeah.
You see, this is water after the heavy rainfall, and some other parts closer to the river.
We're going to see
all villages and estates along the river
no, let me show you some
are flooded. So we are going to see how far, and in essence we are
there's a lot of water.
Look at that water, man. We are going to move people to a secure place. So
let us blessed land of Garissa.
Let us go together, man. This is Banta petrol station, and we are on.
This is a guest house, government guest house.
We are on Has.
This is a government
15 road. Has 15 road.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm the son of 15 years also.
You are a son of
15 years. I'm heading to Bula 15 to assist my people.
To rescue.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Rescue some residents.
And you are the driver.
I'm not a driver. I'm just doing a practical.
Yes, you are the driver. This is
the High Court. Why don't you show the people?
Yeah, Garissa High Court. Is here.
This is the restaurant, the biggest restaurant in Garissa town.
No, this is a garage. Futsal arena.
The fire stations of Garissa.
Fire station.
Yes, and this is my house.
Oh, this is your house?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Look at these things. These are people displaced from the floods.
Yes.
There are people displaced by the floods in Garissa, man. You can look at this.
Yeah. And this is the Garissa regional hall and regional headquarters.
We are going to
headquarters.
This is the governor's office, right? Is it? Yeah. The governor's office.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this is the Macorino's shot.
Yeah, this is not a vehicle.
This is not a vehicle.
Yeah.
By the way, we cannot say a vehicle.
This is a
wheelbarrow, man.
This is a wheelbarrow. Like a wheelbarrow.
Macorino, what's up?
This is the office, the second office of the governor.
This is the second office
of the deputy governor.
Deputy governor.
This was the deputy governor.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Other government offices are located.
And this is what we call, this is the orphanage center.
Yeah, orphanage center called Young Muslim. This is the Garissa cereals board.
Cereal board.
Cereals board.
Yes, and this is the board of the Young Muslim Association. Yes, and this is the Alliance and Arenas.
Young Muslim
Alliance Arena. This is the football where we are playing the football always here.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you the microphone.
No, don't give me. No. I'm a driver. I don't want to be at risk myself.
You are?
I'm a driver. This is the Ministry of Mining and Blue Economy.
Yeah, and we are now entering 15 estate.
Yeah. And just aside, this is the mini market, Uluma mini market.
Rumah.
This is the biggest lager in Iftin. You can show our people so that they can chant.
What a lager, man. And we are now into 15. From this point forward, we are in 15.
Town.
15 estate. This is Garissa town. 15 is an estate in Garissa town.
Yeah.
My friend.
This is also the market.
Yeah,
The cow shop.
Yeah. It's a market, right?
Show our people
Yes.
so that they can attract
Blue sky.
Oga Hotel, Bonaparte. These are small vehicles that we are selling wholesales.
No, Nicholas Square.
Yes, and you can show our people these are Memphis, and these are Blue Sky.
And just next to it is
and
Blue
these are
Sky.
15 station, 15 police station.
15 police station is just next to this.
Blue Sky.
We'll go
Good underwear.
Gore hardware. Sio nguri ni Gore.
huh?
These are Gore hardware,
Not?
not ngure.
Okay.
So we are heading side of the river. Now we want to go to the deep state.
Now from here, we are going deep where the floods are affecting people. You can see from... Yes.
Rescue some residents in this area.
Yes.
You can see the area so flooded by water.
Yeah.
So we are going deep.
Yes.
Where the water is flooded. Let's go, guys.
Yeah. Let's go, man. Go.
Let's go, guys. Wow, amazing.
This is Bula
We see
15.
another vehicle here, guys.
This part of Bula 15 is called Bula Nyuki. This is
Bula Nyuki.
Bula Nyuki, man.
We see some residents here.
You see this truck? They've also come.
One direct from Nairobi. This is a parcel.
This one is a bus.
Here to body. Body meenda just straight.
Oi, Gaze. Come just send me Lazu. Send me, come here. Send me. Haipiti bana. Undisha ndani.
Tunakata.
Yeah, guys. Let's go,
gaariga goormeed galaya waan soo baxay koonaan soo dhaqaalahay gaariga meel baniin horaan oo maray soo bax banaan soo istay meesha lagta miyaa lag
Let's go, man.
koonaan la soo gala meel lagta meesha lagtan taaganaya
These are the friends.
kanay Nuuriye miyaa Ibrahim Nuuriye gaarigan way
Now, this is the area, man. Elmi, itapita. Gari itakujia huku. Look at the water, man. This is from the river. Elmi, itakuja na hivi. Hapa gari inapita.
Sasa unajua tukikuja na baadaye maji zinaenda.
Hapana, hapa sasa bado ni ngumu, haiwezi nini? Haiwezi kwama. Hakuna story ya baadaye, kwani tunachukua muda gani kunini?
Ni wapi hiyo nyumba?
Wanasema penye kijana amesimama, wacha tuangalie ni wapi.
Hapo ndani.
Si ni huku tunaenda?
Nipaka ndani.
Wewe kuja na gari. Hii gate nyeusi hiyo, si ndio? Si ni ile?
Unaona hii nyumba?
Yenye iko na mstari hivi.
Hii nyumba unaona? Mbele yake kuna mlango.
Oh. Kuja. Gari inapita.
Gari mjilne.
Gari itapita. This is the water, man. You see?
What's up, man?
Yeah. It is flooding, man. This water is coming from the river. Sini ukweli?
Yeah.
It's coming from the river into these villages. And therefore we have to see a way of moving things out of this place before it is too bad, before the whole village submerges in water. You see, this is a road. This is supposed to be a road, but look at this. Water is coming, so people are moving out of this. You can see my friend there. They are going. Yes, let's go. Look at this, man. This is how. And we are coming to this corner. Look at this. We're coming all the way here to move these people. People are moving out with borders. They are coming here. Now these people are moving before it is too bad. Like hey, hello. Aye. Kwa nini? Inaongezeka lakini si mbio. Yeah? Unaona huku penye tuko huku. Huku ni dry. Huku ni dry. Ati penye ulikuwa umesimama. Hapana, nakuja. Acha nikuje huko. Yeah. Acha hizo hii kitu inaingia. Naenda penye dereva hako. Ati? Sawa, nakuja. Dereva anaogopa ati kukuja. Dereva anaogopa kukuja mpaka huko. Sasa amesema niende huko. This is the kitchen. Kuna fridge hapo, kuna this sofa. Draw moja.
Hii nyumba inakuwa vitu zio mingi. Hata na dressing mirror.
Kitanda moja, dressing mirror.
Hii mattress tuna.
Mattress. Hii ni ba. Yuko doku. We're in water, man. Look at this.
We are the rescue team, guys.
Rescue team.
Rescue team, guys.
Team strong, team strong. Look.
Rescue team.
Help me. We plot next. Sasa wewe fanya hivi, dunga matako hapa. Dunga matako hapa.
Ikae tu hapo.
Sisi tuletee hapa. Wewe dunga matako, kichwa matako ibaki hapa. Acha weke ikae hapa. Naingia kwa
hapo. Dunga mbele.
Acha kae hapa. Ingia kidogo, ingia kidogo. Ingia kidogo.
Hapo.
Ingia tena. Hapo hapo. Ngoja. Ndio. We're now moving things to this truck, man.
We are the rescue team, guys.
Yeah, we are going to rescue this team and we'll see how it goes. Sasa fanya hivi. Come on. Elmi kuja Elmi. Wacha niweke shati. Maji inakuja mbio sana. Ndio hii na hapa imefika hapa.